Hello, today I will be showing you how to make some models that you might not know how. Like you know these wedges, right? I will be showing you how to make corner wedges. Not like there are there are two types of corner wedges, like, right? So this one of it is really simple. You just have to do this. The other one is a bit difficult. It actually is not difficult. First, you see this add models, the union, negate, separate. You can go here and create a part, right? And then if you scale it to like the other one that I just made, try to make. Okay, so now you want to do this. You might not know this. You might not know this, but if you do this, negate, and then you union it, then it cuts it. So that's a way you can make another corner wedge. Like, if you want to make it that you can color it, you have to press this button and then you can color it. And then you can see this makes a pretty good wedge. It's really good. What else you can do is it just cuts it, so you can actually just use you don't have to use a wedge. You can actually just go here, the cylinder, and then you make it big or anything. And then if you want to like make a window here, so you go here. It's the same process like just now I showed you, but using wedge. So this one you want to do this, and you can see that you can make this. Okay, so these two you don't do that yet. You pull this through it, and then over here you also have to do the same thing, and then you select both of them and make them negate. Okay, select this and union. Wait, no, I accidentally selected the wedge. Okay, so you see this, you union. There it have a pretty cool window. So if you are building and you wanted to do like windows, but you are lazy to just make many things, then you just do this, put a block through it, put, and then negate it, select both, union. And this new thing about unions is that last time a union, you cannot walk through it on the things. So usually it's supposed to be like, if you step on it, it's like wait, let me try to show you what it was like last time. Last time it was like this. And then transparent. Last time, if you do something, if you do a union, then it would be like it would block it. It would be like this. But now if you just delete that thing, you play, and you can walk on it like it's normal. This is actually a really good thing. How I knew this, I was just watching a video of someone building, and then he showed this thing Negate. I'm going to try to make a pretty cool like medieval door kind of thing. Okay, So here the size. Before 12. Okay, so now here we'll make the door. This is actually really cool. You can do this. And then set the size. I'm going to set the size to 10. And then add a cylinder. Poking through it. It will make a medieval door. What's this size? Oh wait, I have to make it 0.5. Yeah. This is hard. Yeah. Oh wait, no, we have to move it down by 1. There, okay. So now you select this both. Now you select this. You scale it. You scale it there. And over here, you scale it there. And then we select both of them. Negate. It makes it a negative block, a negative part. That when you use it, will cut a hole through it. And we can walk through it. Which is more fun about this thing. So that is all I want to show. Just negate. Okay, goodbye.